Schedule video on YouTube. Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva, back with another video. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule a video on your YouTube channel. I'll also share a tip on how to know when your subscribers are on YouTube. Like this kind of content? We've got more related videos on the channel. Subscribe, hit like. I'm always making videos to help you out. Folks, it's easy to schedule posts and find out when your audience is online. Click on Analytics in YouTube Studio on your computer, then the Audience option. Analytics, Audience, and it shows when your subscribers are active. At 5 a.m. or 3 a.m. Sunday, almost none of my viewers are on YouTube. So that's a terrible time to schedule my video. In contrast, at other times like 6 p.m. on a Monday, most of my viewers are on YouTube. So it's an excellent time to schedule a video on the channel. Monday and Tuesday at 6, Wednesday drops to 7 p.m. So 6 p.m. doesn't have as many viewers. There are many, but not the majority. Use these squares to find your audience's peak times. Once you've figured out the time, let's schedule our video. I'll click Create, Upload Video, select File. I've already chosen the video. Now I'll add the title and description of the video. Here, choose the thumbnail you made for this video, select the playlist for this video, and set the audience. Decide if the video is intended for children or not, and if there's paid promotion, you must check that option. Below, indicate if your video uses AI, yes or no. You can enable auto chapters, auto location, auto define concepts, tags, and notify subscribers. Check this option if you want subscribers notified about this video. Then folks, just click Next here. Here, choose if monetization for this video is on or off. I'll click On, then Next. Here, select if your video has any elements below. If not, click None of the options, then Submit Classification and Next. Here you can add subtitles and an end screen if desired. Click Next twice and here's where you schedule your video. You know when your audience is on YouTube, so click Schedule and choose the time they're most active. When your video goes live, most of your audience will be active and see it right away. Set the time and click Schedule. That's it. Great job, everyone. Comment below, subscribe for more tutorials. I'm signing off. Take care and God bless.